So this is my new car that's going to be on the channel. It's a 2019 Subaru WRX STI. So yeah, expect to see more content with this car. Overall, I've had it for about a month and it's pretty cool. I like it so far. It's a 4-door, which is nice. Let me open that up. Black and red interior goes well with the car. It's a blue color. I'm not sure what specific blue it is, but it's nice. You got the 2 piston Brembos in the back, 6 pistons in the front. I think this here comes with a 6 piston. And yeah, it's still stock. So yeah, this is the new car you'll be seeing on the channel.
What the fuck?
I just wanted to do a quick video, show you guys the new car that's going to be added to the channel. And I better get out of here because actually cops just came up here. I don't know what they were looking for, but I was actually right in his way when he passed by. Luckily, he didn't kick me out. He just said I can hang out here for a couple minutes, but to not overstay my welcome. So yeah, I guess that's gonna wrap this video up. Thanks everyone. Bye.